10 health benefits by simply keeping the legs up on the wall. Let's find out.
Only one asana and very simple. It is legs up on the wall, or in Sanskrit, Viparit Karani. So let's see how to do it and watch my video till end, because you will get to know what are the benefits that you will get by doing this asana. Let's get started.
Sit towards your right or towards your left against the wall and sit comfortably so that you can lift the legs up easily, and try to see the position so that you can lift the legs up to do Viparit Karani. If you sit far from the wall and try to lift from there, you won't be able to lift the legs up fully and you won't be able to stretch the legs fully. So come closer and slowly swing your legs up against the wall as you turn to lie flat on your back. So place your hips against the wall or slightly away. Place your arms in any comfortable position. And now stay in this position for 5 minutes, and let me tell you about myself when you take rest and in this position. So this is Millie and I make videos on beauty, health, yoga and on nutrition. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel and like this video and turn on the notification for future videos. Now I will move to the benefit of this asana. Number 1. This asana is very effective for thyroid functions. Number 2. It improves digestion. Number 3. It improves circulation. Number 4. It provides sciatica pain relief. Number 5. It improves sleep pattern and relax your mind. Number 6. It balances blood pressure. Number 7. It manages varicose veins. Number 8. It manages leg and feet cramps. Number 9. It increases energy. And number 10. It manages headache and migraine. Now to come out from this position, draw your knees into your chest and roll onto any of your side, preferably right side, and slowly moving up into upright position and sit down.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video then subscribe my channel, like this video and turn on the notification for future videos. I keep making videos on beauty, health, nutrition and on yoga. Thank you so much once again. Take very good care of yourself. This is Millie saying bye to all of you. Take care. Stay blessed.